Hello and welcome back, and in this one I want us to add textures to the shoelaces. So select your shoelace. Since they are all in the same object, just push new, and now we can add our materials. So I have some materials. Okay, so I have this material that I want to use for my shoelace. I'll drag first the color. So this is just like what we did for the denim, except this one is going to be, we're just going to do this a little bit faster than the other one. Control T, click, and let's see, let's just zoom in. Push the dot on the number pad. Let's just zoom in so that we can see how it's interacting with our object. So if I use generated, seems like it's working. Let's try camera. We can actually use that, or here's an alternative: generated and then box. Let's see how that works out. That actually works better. That's the one. So generated then box. All right, so let me just drag this, put it this side, and I'll put this one here. So this one I'll get a curve, RGB curve. Let's put it here. Let's make that S. Just to get some contrast out of it. All right, great. So we'll put that right there on top. Let's go and get the specular, or in here it's called the roughness. So let's use this roughness, drag it and then drop it in here. So let's drag this and plug it into the roughness. So we already enabled the node wrangler in the previous video, so you hold down Control and Shift, then we see what we have. Oops, so that's another thing. We forgot to plug in this, so we need to plug in that. Okay, that looks okay. So let me add a color ramp to this. So let's get a color ramp, and let's just put it there. And now I want to be seeing from the color ramp what's going on. So let's just push the black. Let's see what we get. Great, amazing. That is just exactly what I was looking for. All right, so let's zoom out. Let's go here and let's see our stuff from this PDS. Okay, that looks okay. And now let's put our displacement. Let's drag it and then let's put it here, and we'll plug it into the normal. And we still need to get coordinate values. So let's move this here and let's drag this and plug it into this. Oops, can't see anything. Okay, so drag this and plug it into this. Let's just move it closer here. So now what I need is a bump map. Bump and plug it into the height. So let's plug this into the height, and there we go. We've got gigantic looking shoelaces. Well, funny. Let me just bring in the normal map as well. Let's bring in the normal map. So for the value of this one, the bump just turned to 0.5, so it's 0.5. so that it can just reduce a bit this side. It's just way, it was just way too much. Yeah, okay, so this, let's just plug it in. Let's put these guys back here, and let's plug this into this value here. So grab this, plug it into this, and let's get the normal map. Normal map right there. So plug the color into the color and get the normal into the normal of the bump. And there we go. Looking all good. Looking good. Looking great. I don't know about you, but I like what I'm seeing so far. And let me just make a render. Oh, before I do that, select everything here. Oops, my bad. I'm selecting something different. My shoelaces, select everything on here. Copy this. Let's move out. Select these shoelaces. I already pushed the new button here, so you can create a new material. If you haven't, then delete and just paste it a new material for your shoelaces, and let's save. So if you don't like how bright they look, in case you want to make it even brighter, you can just turn up the curve, this S, you can actually just push it up a bit depending on what you want. But otherwise, I think this is it. Oh, one more thing before I actually leave. I need a new material for this, and this is rubber, so 0.003, and this one also 0.7, then the roughness 0.3. Same thing with this one here, so we just put in the same values, and 0.7, 0.3, and that's it for that one as well. So let's make a render. Go into the camera view, save. Alright, so this is our render, and in the next video I want us to add the All-Star logo here and also at the back here. I think that would be it, but otherwise I like the results. This is our final render. Oh, it's not the final render, it's the final render for this video, but we're still making some more stuff. Okay, see you tomorrow. Remember to like, subscribe, and bye bye.